All right, so to the students. So we're supposed to have a bench trial today. So the accused is still at the jail. They're bringing her over. And the question is whether they're bringing her over dressed or not. Usually when there's a jury trial, the person is brought over dressed for trial because they're jurors. Normally, they say they don't have to necessarily be dressed for a bench trial because I'm the judge. I'm not going to hold it against them that they're in custody. But sometimes if there are people who are coming over for a bench trial and they want to be dressed, I will allow them to be dressed, even though I'm the person who's hearing everything.
Dress for trial, though.
Yes,
Because,
yes,
because I kept on laughing because I was like, they're gonna be in clothes.
yes, they're gonna be, yeah, they're gonna be in
They're gonna be in
clothes.
jail clothes, or
Yeah.
they're gonna be in, they're.
Thank you. Yeah, they're not coming over nude. We don't allow that. But they sometimes, for example, this case, the defense attorney said he was fine if they brought her over in her jail clothing. So for people at the jail, they have different color of outfits. And
there you go.
it has to do with their classification. The males, they can be in orange, which means they're in general population, or they can be orange and white. And those are the orange with the white stripes. And usually you will see them working. So usually the people who are in the orange and white stripes,
Reverses out.
they have low-level offenses. People don't think they're violent. People don't think they're going to try to escape. So they're allowed to work in the yard. Sometimes they used to come and work at the courthouse, moving furniture or whatever. Then you have the people in tan, usually they're trustees. Then you have people in red, which can be males or females. The people wearing red, they're in admin segregation. Sometimes it's for gang issues, sometimes because they have a high profile case, or it's a high level case.
Splitting hairs.
They're usually in red.
I know.
And then for the females, if they're in general population, they're in blue. If they're in yellow or yellow and white stripes, it's because they're pregnant.
Right there, I mean.
If they are in red, same thing, maybe gang affiliation, or they tried to escape before, or they're violent, things of that nature.
But I mean,
So
some of these.
normally, if it's a bench trial, they'll come over dressed in the jail issued
I liked it
uniform.
because like where
Now,
she was in a parking
sometimes
spot. Now she's sort of, I know she's in her driveway or
attorneys-
somebody's driveway. Is that her driveway? Is that her address? Do you know?
Maybe their client doesn't have clothes. When I was a defense attorney, what you would do if you were appointed to a client, you'd ask the court for approval to purchase clothes for your client. So you can do it in
518
clothing
Mary
exchange, because
Street,
you don't
where-
want them coming to court in what they've been arrested in.
Rest in
Because usually, you don't want your client coming to court in a t-shirt and flip-flops. You want them
Or
to be
home and
dressed so that people will be
76.
interested in what's going on with their
That doesn't
cases, show that they
necessarily
care.
mean
There, yeah.
And usually what will end up happening is the court will have to sign an order saying this person has jury trial. Their attorney will go over to do a clothing exchange. But here's
Remember that they finally get her.
the
out.
downside to that if you're an attorney. If you're an attorney and you do a clothing exchange, somebody has to keep the clothes that you exchange them with. And so you have to keep those clothes. So usually you try to have a family member there, or either have a family member go over and exchange the clothes. But sometimes you can't depend on family members to do that. And sometimes people don't have a family. They say, we're not going to do anything. We're not paying for this. We're not going to sit at the jail for hours to try to do a clothing exchange. So you'll go over there
On your brakes.
and do it, and you end up having to keep whatever they were arrested in. So that's the way it works.
Probably
Hey,
tires,
Denny.
though, too.
Thank you, Brian Marion.
Ah, see, I knew. Thank you for walking there, because that was going to bother me. All right. So Deputy Laura, do you have an ETA for her?
I'm not sure, Judge.
All right. And do we have Richard Madrigal as well?
He's downstairs already, Judge. It's just.
There's the dog.
For sure to bring her dressed or not.
He has a dog on a leash. Yeah.
I didn't know.
All right. So we're going to bring, well, if you can,
Okay.
if you have time to bring Madrigal out with,
The door was open. Stay closed.
yes, and
I like that.
And I think with Madrigal, that is the one where the defense counsel said that they're going to try to get everything worked out in the morning. If they can't, it will be in the afternoon. So you don't have to bring him out. No. We'll just wait for the attorney. And Bashan, while we wait, I'm gonna do some things on the computer, send out my email.
No, I'm not.
All right, thank you.
I'm aware of any of that.
Yes, Galloway told me,
He's not gonna use.
correct.
Okay, yeah,
Brian
As
Powers,
far as I'm.
we are reading the fourth wing.
so no, yeah. You probably need.
Yes, I'm reading it. Deputy Laura's reading it. The prosecutors are reading it, and Ashley, the prosecutor, she
Rodriguez.
says she's rated it no less than
I
4 times.
requested them.
But which one is that?
It's a
Rodriguez.
combination of
Yes.
Okay.
Game of
So, yeah.
Thrones,
I
So far, it's
included
Game of
her
Thrones.
on my request.
but I've read the Game of Thrones books. And this fourth wing is fabulous.
Rebecca Yaros? Oh, I saw this at the bookstores.
Okay, so supposedly they're making a series out of it on Prime, maybe. But I'm telling you right now, and you can put this down on the record. We have the court reporter here. Take this down. If Prime ruins this series, I will personally write them a letter in my capacity as a citizen of these United States.
Okay. Is it better or worse than The President's Vampire?
Okay, see, now you're just going sideways. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Oh, you know what else is a great book?
Hmm.
Blood Guard. Have you heard of Blood Guard? That book is awesome.
Okay, I'll let that one. Hey, I did read all those books.
But you were just gonna read one and call it. I just read one. See, the first one was great. Then I was like, okay, I'm done.
Oh, they were all good. I read them all. The audibles were done by Bronson Pinchot, so,
No.
yeah, and it didn't sound at all like Doc.
Well, I will tell you, I didn't realize, but they told me I could download an app. And I like to read my own books as instead of
Yeah.
listening to people acting it out. But they have a theatrical release on audiobooks with it. Oh my gosh, you can feel it.
Did you read Project Hail Mary?
No.
Okay, so the dude who wrote Martian, Weir, he wrote Project Hail Mary, and that is better than The Martian, and it is really well done on Audible.
All
And
right.
Gosling is doing the movie on it now, but you gotta read it or listen to it. I think it's well worth listening
Oh, I'm
to.
gonna read it. You know, I love to read my books.
But it is one of the best sci-fi books I've read in the last decade.
Oh,
So,
awesome.
We're listening.
Okay. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, approach, Your Honor.
He said Project Hail Mary. Yes,
Yeah, approach.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Vegas says she's in the process of hiring Charlie Monk. Monk is tied up in another matter, that's why he's not here today. So she would like him to represent.
All right. Miss, could I see the file on her, please, Venegas? All right, Miss Venegas, this case has been pending since September, so we're going forward with this trial. All right, we're proceeding. All right, thank you.
Yeah. Looks like a- she's like,
Yeah.
Okay, I want it written down and give it to you. Put in. Who do we need to prove that they're.
Thoughts?
Fourth wing.
If we have.
Okay,
Berger,
yes.
Then we don't need Kelly or Valdez.
All right, I am on it.
I like people that we actually.
Valdez and Kelly, they initiate the detention. Yeah.
And what does Rodriguez do? That's the
Searches the Negus, finds the key.
tiger,
Parker is the Eagle pilot.
so we don't necessarily have to have the box as well.
He is the investigating officer. He finds the box in the trunk.
Is he the one that finds it on the case? So we know we do have pots,
Yes,
okay, and we don't know about the other.
correct.
What time is pots gonna be? Here?
Don't know.
What time did y'all request?
9. According to Pena, Potts was walking to the courtroom now, and that was sent at 9:40.
What did Pena say about the other ones?
No response from the others.
From them to Pena or Pena to you?
From them to him.
Are they on duty or anything?
Don't know.
Okay, well, we'll find all that stuff. Let's go to the liaison offices.
Okay.
I'm going to need to get you back over there, okay?
Oh, it's Vegas. Yeah, I don't know which one.
do that.
Callahan. Does that agreement include waiving the enhancement allegations?
Yes,
Shall I start drawing up the paperwork?
please.
And are we going on paragraph count one or count?
Doesn't matter whatever you say. This is a paper case and a third case.
Oh, TIC.
Okay.
Here, and is it okay if I go on the count two? And can I let Pena know that we don't need our officers anymore?
I already have him calling, but
All right,
just, let's get that first.
you want me to include this?
The PSI will take 8 weeks. If you all want it sooner, then what I can do is reset it. And if there are witnesses you want called, and I'll ask the state for the criminal history, and then whatever else you want to present. Otherwise, it's going to be 8 weeks. That's just the time frame for probation to complete everything.
And witnesses will be lettered. Leniency. In her allocation to probably.
008-502.
Yes.
That's it.
All right, so do you want the full PSI, or would you like me to recall it in?
Well, it's the only way you're gonna consider the third.
Okay. Oh, no, I'll consider it either way. Yeah. Okay.
Short, and obviously, not as good for her as.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what I'll do,
Yeah.
no. When Ms. Abrams comes back, she'll give us a date for your PSI, but it'll be 8 weeks. What ends up happening is someone will come interview you at the jail. And then I'll receive that report. Your attorney will receive it and the state will receive it. I'll review it if there are no objections. And then whatever evidence or witnesses you want to present to the court, I'll hear those. You're welcome.
It's 10 minutes, just make sure.
Wait, for the count two.
We're gonna have TIC. Well, I will make it.
Yeah, 15. about a fine? Do we care about a fine?
Actually gonna.
Printing out the waiver and skips. ID report. I'll print a copy. Okay.
Bashan, if you can, let me know, they're gonna enter a plea on this case. If you can let me know what is a good date for probation.
First. That's something that we're fixing, obviously.
I got the 10 years to 99 to life. I got that correct.
For TIC, maybe. Let's do some things done.
2024.
It's 8054.
It's 00805.
Just to let you know, sorry, excuse me. Remember, this is a over 400, so it's a minimum 10.
Yeah.
And then it's up to 99 to life. Fixed it is a first degree, but a hybrid first degree because the minimum is 10 instead of 5. The TIC is the.
Wait, there's one more thing. On the plea bargain page, going on the count 2. Yeah.
Look at something. Let me type this about something.
May 13th.
All right, so we'll put it for May 13th. Could I have a reset form, please? And Yaya, what case are they proceeding on? The 8052. Okay, thank you. 2024 CR 008052.
He's good.
Denny. Hi. This is just a reset form. So Miss Venegas, we're gonna bring you back on May 13th for sentencing. So that's when I'll make a decision on your application. You're welcome. I don't know.
What do you-
Denny, are you proceeding on, are they proceeding on count one or two? Okay.
Two.
All right, count two. Yes. And Denny, will your client need a MIC evaluation, mental health evaluation at all?
Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Good joy. Not today. Not you. No, it is a fucking stuff. Thank you. Call it schedule 1B or whatever. Their schedules. 1B, C, 2, 3, 4, 5. Has to do with classification of various. Yeah.
I was gonna go upstairs, but we have that one person.
Okay.
But I wrote it on there. It's gotta be a PSI or something. Here's the other file. That's in the PIC. Oh, this is a.
Yeah.
More. I don't know. I don't know anything. I want to see if I ever know. I'm gonna go, I gotta go back to my notes. I'll go by and see if I can find Michael's over there. If you want, I'm actually down here to talk to you right now. Or, you know, like, but I can tell them just to look at you.
I'm gonna go there.
I don't. Yeah, I don't want to. Oh, no, okay.
Oh.
Does she want to? I'll ask. Ask her because I mean, that's the only way it could go. I mean, that. That's that. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Venegas, she's gonna swear you in, okay? And then Deputy Laura, the other person, I'm assuming since they're not here, they were not able to take care of it. So you can hold him and bring him back this afternoon. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Harris. How's it going?
Fine and dandy, ma'am. How you be?
Oh, I'm doing great. We're about to take this plea up. And then, who did you bring with you?
Oh, it's Stockton Law School. It's, Tori.
Oh, that's okay. Yes,
Speak on
I have two students with me. They are actually from the Young Women's Leadership Academy. Oh, they're just here they're shadowing me. All right.
kind of tanks kind of full.
You're big. Yeah, no.
Kind of full.
All right, Ms. Venegas, if you'll come forward, please.
It ain't. What up? Hey. Right? Do we?
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 008052 State versus Samantha Venegas. Could I have parties announced?
Andrew Harris, Salem for the state.
Benny Callahan defense.
And are you Ms. Venegas?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Venegas, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, waiving count one and the habitual offender enhancement allegation.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand in count two? You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group one. Let me see here. Less than 400 grams. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement, I'm sorry. Now it's 400 grams or more. So you're charged in count two with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group one, 400 or more grams. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand the range of punishment for the offense for which you are charged is anywhere from 10 years to 99 years or life in prison? Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 99 years or life in prison? And also the range of punishment is up to a $10,000 fine. And did you understand that the court could sentence you up to a $10,000 fine as well? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Do, Your Honor.
Ms. Venegas, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 15 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application for community supervision or deferred adjudication. They're taking into consideration 2024 CR 008054. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 2 in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, ma'am.
State any evidence.
Be contained in Exhibit 1 and attachments, Judge.
No objection.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. And Mr. Callahan, if you could initial this for me, please, and have your client initial. And that's the blue writing, if you agree to it. So as previously stated, the court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Just one moment off the record.
Just spoke with civil on Planning Court 13,
Mhm.
and she had spoken with the judge. They're in the middle of voir dire right now.
Mhm.
But she explained to me that she can accommodate the plea in there at 4:30
Okay,
with all the paperwork complete.
all right.
I just wanted to make sure we can leave him on hold, and also, I wanted to give you an update because part of the plea bargain agreement, this case is getting dismissed.
Yes, okay.
So I just wanted to provide the court the update to make sure that's okay.
Yes, it's okay. And if you'll let Deputy Laura know, so the other deputy can make arrangements to have him.
She explained to me, I think there was a magistrate process too that they needed to still complete. But that judge would take it up at 4:30, all paperwork done.
All right, thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.
Did you need me to come back at 1:30 though? I just want to make sure.
No, Deputy Laura, the
I'll make
deputy,
arrangements for sure.
yes. And after you're finished, then come back here so you can obtain your dismissal.
The other thing I was gonna say is it possible for me to talk to him about all the paperwork in his courtroom? Just because of that issue,
No problem. You have to go.
it's getting, emailed. So.
You find something?
I'll be able to do all that. I gotta call, I've got another prosecutor's name in here, but I gotta call him to make sure.
Rick,
Vanya,
Rick, I gotta talk to Rick to make sure it's done. I do all that.
all right, so we're back on the record?
may I approach?
Yes.
Supplement to State's Exhibit 1, Judge.
No objection.
All right, then the court will set into evidence as a part of the stipulated evidence, the state supplement. And after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. So we will come back. We can go off the record. We will come back on May 13th. On May 13th, I'll make a decision on your application based upon whatever evidence is presented to me. So I'm going to order a PSI and a TAP evaluation. The TAP evaluation is really to see whether or not you have any controlled substance issues. All right, do you have any questions about anything? All right, so I've given you a reset form because in case you release, you'll still know that you'll need to come here and it'll be at 9 a.m. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, Jenny, he's
Oh.
gonna give the dismissal now.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, and Ms. Abrams informed me she had already spoken to her, so as soon as you are completed speaking with her, just let us know and we'll send her back. You're welcome. All right, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.